Remove the saddle decorative panel. Disconnect the wireless charging pad plug. Remove the saddle decorative panel. Remove the saddle metal decorative strip. Dismate the cup holder decorative panel. Unplug the connector. Remove the electroic key induction module. Detach the metal clips from the cup holder decorative panel. Prepare the new ambient light cup holder decorative panel. Install the removed metal clips onto the ambient light up holder decorative panel. Reinstall the electronic key induction module on the ambient light cup holder decorative panel. Remove the cup holder assembly. Thread connectors 1, 2, and 4 through the buckle position of the cup holder assembly. Connect the power takeoff plug on the harness to the cigarette lighter power plug. Remove the co-pilot side saddle decorative panel. Remove the 2 decorative panels on the right side of the dashboard. Remove the ceiling strip and the door threshold decorative strip. Remove the decorative panel under the glove box. Disconnect the plugs for the speaker and the footwell light. Thread the lead from the cup holder to emerge at the bottom of the co-pilot side. Tie the number 4 and number 3 plug harnesses tightly to the lead with adhesive tape. Pull the lead to complete the threading. Unbind the harness. Connect the number 3 plug to the number 3 plug. Ambient light power. Connect the number 4 plug to the number 4 plug. Signal line. Connect the number 1 plug to the number 1 plug. Screen control power. Connect the number 2 to the number 2 plug. A CC. Reinstall the cup holder trim panel. Reconnect the key induction plug. Route the ACC wire to the rear air conditioning area. Connect the original ACC plug. Prepare the saddle metal decorative panel ambient light. Connect the number 10 plug to the number 10 plug. Saddle light. Install the saddle metal trim ambient light. Connect the number 5 plug to the number 5 plug. Right side main harness of the armrest. Then route the wire as shown. Plug the white large connector into the ambient light control box. Connect the number 8 plug to the number 8 plug. Right front harness. Connect the number 9 plug to the number 9 plug. Right rear harness. Remove the dashboard trim. Remove the glove box assembly. Route the number 23 plug to the dashboard. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Prepare the dashboard ambient light. Carbon fiber is optional and not factory standard. Connect the number 27 plug to the number 27 plug. Dashboard. Connect the number 28 plug to the number 28 plug. Dashboard. Connect the number 29 plug to the number 29 plug. Dashboard. Install the dashboard ambient light. Prepare the footwell ambient light. Install the footwell ambient light. Connect the number 36 plug to the number 36 plug. Right front footwell. Remove the front door panel trim. Disconnect all plugs inside the door panel. Remove the speaker. Loosen the wire harness conduit. Thread the lead through above the conduit and out below. Then thread the lead into the door panel. First, route the harness through the A-pillar. Tie the number 22 plug to the lead with adhesive tape. Right front door light wire. Pull the lead to draw out the harness. Unbind the right front door light harness. Connect the number 22 plug to the number 22 plug. Right front door light wire. Prepare the door panel ambient light. Carbon fiber is optional here as well. Install the ambient light on the door panel. Prepare the storage box light. Remove the trim under the door handle. Install the number 25 storage box light. Reinstall the trim under the door handle. Connect the number 25 plug to the number 25 plug. Storage box light. Connect the number 24 plug to the number 24 plug. Contour light. Remove the tweeter. Disconnect the plug. Prepare the tweeter ambient light. Install the speaker into the ambient light housing. Tie the light source number 26 right front tweeter light wire to the light guide strip with adhesive tape. Connect the number 26 plug to the number 26 plug. Right front tweeter light. Reconnect the original speaker harness. Reinstall the tweeter. Remove the B-pillar trim. Remove the rear door panel trim. Disconnect the plugs. Unscrew the glass bracket screws. Pry open the door panel wire harness connection sleeve. Pry open the original factory sleeve buckle. Find the original factory harness plug and disconnect it. Insert the lead through the bottom of the glass bracket. Lead out from the door panel side harness opening. Pass number 31 through the B-pillar. Right rear door light wire. Find the original plug, untie the protective adhesive tape. Tie the number 31 plug tightly to the original rear door main harness with adhesive tape. Pull back the original conduit to reveal the tape position. Unbind number 31 plug from the main harness. Pull out the number 31 plug. Restore the original conduit position. Retie the original factory harness with adhesive tape. Tie the lead to the number 31 plug with adhesive tape. Pull the lead to draw out the number 31 plug. Untie the lead from the number 31 plug. Prepare the rear door panel concealed light. Install the concealed light on the door panel trim. Connect the number 34 plug to the number 34 plug, concealed light. Connect the number 35 to the number 35 plug, storage box light. Reconnect the original factory plug.